Oh, welcome to Noah's 5 Fun Facts About Snowstorms. Extreme weather can endanger lives. When the temperature goes under freezing temperature, 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius, snow goes on the ground. Sometimes wind blows snows into piles called snowdrifts. Wind chill. Wind chill is dangerous because if anyone is wearing a face warmer, it can freeze and become useless at the temperature negative 31 degrees Fahrenheit, negative 35 degrees Celsius. But the most dangerous part is that wind chill can make the temperature feel like minus negative 94 degrees. It's best that if the temperature is at 30 degrees Fahrenheit or less, you should wear wool socks, warm boots, a wool shirt and pants, and Gore-Tex jacket and Gore-Tex overalls. Snowflakes. Snowflakes aren't identical, so if anyone sees 2 snowflakes through a telescope, they won't have the same shape and size. This characteristic is dependent on the temperature, humidity, and air current in the cloud. Snowflakes have different textures. Avalanche. Avalanches form like this. First, it snows on the mountain. And then, second or third day, it snows on the same mountain. And again, the snow from each different day creates layers. Then, layers get pushed down the mountain by wind. And the layers, which is about 1.3 yards, gets pushed down the mountain, causes an avalanche. Excuse me. Avalanches can be extremely dangerous. It's best to use snow stoppers. Snow stoppers can absorb some of the energy of sliding snow. The artificial barriers can be made of wood, concrete, or metal. It can provide similar protection. Video.
Perfekt. Flott flukthøyt. Kommer ned på Snøstorms kommer ned på begge sider.
Feel free to come back and watch that video when you have time. Looks really impressive. Blizzards. Blizzards have forced drivers that live in a very cold place and wind to stop their cars. If they remain in their vehicles, they can be found more easily, but they risk to freeze. One night, a strong blizzard forced people to stay in their homes. In the morning, a big lump or hill of snow appeared in front of the house door in Derbyshire, England. Some animals can live in very cold climates. They could possibly live there because they can't go anywhere else, or because they have very warm fur. But some animals, like house cats, dogs, etc., can't live there. Some people say, but dogs and cats have fur. But the fur doesn't help because their body is used to warm climates. Source. Whoop. There it is. Source. Hurricane and Tornado by Jack Callender. Most of the credit goes to Jack Callan. Good job, Noah.